and he reached his mother and he expressed, I want to kill myself. I want to kill myself. But what happened, you see? The mother and father tried him to provide some articles, some new devices. I could brush my teeth with a
Please admit now.
children were playing nature. I could brush my teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with pump action soap. But there was so much that was impossible for me. I could brush my teeth with wall-mounted brush. Now you see how the Nick Vujicic is writing on the board with his mouth. In the same way, he used a brush, wall-mounted brush. That means the big brush is fixed to the wall, fixed on the wall. Generally, we move the brush when we take brushing our teeth, but he has no hand, so he moves his head like this, horizontally 0 to 180 degrees and up and down, horizontally and vertically, He moves his head to brush his teeth. And he took the help of that mouth to brush the teeth through the wall-mounted brush. And he used a pump action soap. Automatically, the soap makes him to cover the body. He used that one. With those things, with the inventions of, with the creative work of his parents, he got a luxurious life in disability also. So we have to salute to his mother, not their mother, his mother and his father, because they provided everything. Next, what happened? You see, one more important thing. At the age of 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. You see, when he was 8, he went to his mother and he told, I want to kill myself. He was a small kid at the age of 8. But when he grew to 10 years old, he got some knowledge. Now, the second time, he did not tell his ideas to his parents. Directly he attempted, directly he targeted, he wanted to suicide. So he tried to suicide in a bathtub. At the age of 10, Nick tried to drown himself. Drown means sink, munagadam. Drown himself in the bathtub. But luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. But luckily somebody saw and helped him from that situation, from that suicide attempt. It was not successful. Why? The second time, once again, he tried to suicide. The answer is here. I felt there was no purpose when you lack of purpose and strength. You see here, wonderful sentence. There was no purpose. There is no use. Why there is no use means lack of purpose and strength. Lack of purpose. Lack means here less. We can say no also. Purpose. There is no aim to my life. Purpose means aim, goal. And there is no strength in my life also. I don't have hands. I don't have legs. So for my legs and my hands, there is no strength. The strength is 0. How can I live? He thinks that lack of purpose, lack of strength, people do not have right to live on the world. So I decided to kill myself. It is hard to hold on. Now he says, it is hard to hold on. Hold on means continue. So that's why this lack of strength people, lack of purpose people cannot live in this world. The world is for strength people. So I don't want to hold on, continue. I don't want to continue my life. He said, but the help of but with the help of his religion, friends, and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Very, very, very important. But how he became a successful person means with the help of religion, with the help of friends, with the help of family. If we go from backwards on, family, friends, religion. First, the backbone is family. For Nick Vujicic, the backbone is family. Father and mother. They are backbone to his beautiful life, colorful life. They supported with their works, with their ideas to his son. Next one is friends. Family friends, Nick friends, they supported. I saw Tare Zameen Par movie. A wonderful movie. Yes, this type of child only in that movie. Tare Zameen Par. Yes, you see, many destitute children are there in this world. When God has given us all organs in our body, we have to show our gratitude. Really, we have to show our gratitude to God. Daily, we have to say, I'm very grateful to you, God, because you have given me good family and full organs in my body to perform my duty. We have to say thanks to God. Children, unfortunately, we forget. We forget God. We think that I am. We are nothing before God. When we get the blessings from the God only, we can do miracles. So that's why after completing friends, he says that my religion, whatever religion he belongs to, forget. But he says that religion, in every religion we see God. So believe God. There is a supernatural power is behind every soul. How can my 79 kgs flesh and bones stand without any support on the land? There is some support is there. That is the cosmic support. That is the support from the God. Yes, once I lose my soul, come out of my body, suddenly the body falls to the ground. What happens at that time? Why the same 79 kgs body could not be able to stand on the land? Because something went away from our soul, from our body. That power is God. So Swami Vivekananda says that the God gives the enormity power in us. We have to recognize the strength. The person who recognizes the strength, he can do wonders in the world. The person who could not recognize the strength in him, he can't do anything. The same thing here also. Family, friends, and religion helped him to manage, to pull through. Managed. Manage, underline. Manage means balance. To perform also. To live also. Pull through means continue. To become an international successful person. Symbol of triumph over the adversity. Triumph. Very, very important word. Triumph means success, victory over adversity. Adversity means difficulties, sufferings. After facing many problems, he became very successful person, very victorious persons in the world. Now there is no person who is an educated person, that person knows the name of Nick Vujicic, because he became a world famous motivational speaker. He visited many countries. Now you see last paragraph. How he became, what is the change? How did the change come into his life? At the age of 8, at the age of 10, he suffered and he tried to suicide himself. But what change made him to become a symbol of triumph over adversity? You see here. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and helped others, said Nick. You see here, at the age of 13, you see here, very, 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 very important thing happened in his life. A remarkable thing noted in his life at the age of 13. What happened? I read a newspaper article. That's why, children, our beloved secretary is very interested. Knowledge is not only shared among the walls of four. Knowledge is shared in doing activities, in doing project works, in reading library books at the library, in playing the skits. Knowledge is shared everywhere, children. Remember, the main aim of our beloved secretary and AGO sir and our teachers and our parents, beloved parents also, their aim is to get the knowledge. We have to seek. Here, this boy also, when he was reading a newspaper, he read an article about a disabled man, underline, disabled man, who had managed to achieve great things and help others, said Nick. This person, this disabled person, he reached a good position in his life. After reaching good position, he did not forget about his sufferings. And he was very helpful to others who was in needy, who was in destitute position. That he liked very much. You see, these 3 lines or 4 lines, very, very important. These 4 lines message changed the life of Nick when he was 13 years old. Now you see, sir, Babu sir, next page, sir. 2 minutes, sir. Babu sir? Okay, thank you. I realized why God made us like this, to give hope to others. You see here, wonderful sentence. From negative thinking to positive thinking, he transformed his ideas. After reading the article at the age of 13, he changed his attitude, he changed his behavior, he changed his thinking, he changed his character. How he changed? I realized means understand, knowing why God had made us like this. Us means physically challenged people or handicapped people. Why God makes us like this? Because to give hope to others, underline, wonderful. Through our life, we give hope to inspiration to other people. Hey, you see, without hands, he is doing all these things. I have hands. Why don't I do all these things? I have legs. Why don't I run like he? I have very good parents. Why don't I do good things like that? It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them to encourage that an article had given me. You see, wonderful thing. If a normal man, after reading that article, he can make that his own decision. Okay, I got inspiration. I become a teacher. I become an IAS officer. I become a police officer. After becoming police officer, he give his life to his family only. Children, remember, in our society, 90 majority of children are giving their life to their family. But Nick Vujicic think differently. After reading the newspaper, he clearly mentioned it. I decided to use my life. I decided to use my life to encourage other people. Underline, encourage other people. You see, boys, how differently he thought. That is, the attitude is different. When our attitude is different, we become an altitude persons in our society. He does not think about his life or his family. He expected something more, and he reached a good position, a respectable position in the world, and give them the courage that the article had given me. Not only from that, he also understood and digested, and he got courage to give others. He wished, I want to give courage. I got courage from other people. So the same courage I want to transform to other people. I have to distribute the same courage to other people. So he decided like that. And he dedicated his life for that activity only. He don't think that, he doesn't think that I want to become a computer analyst or industrialist or a politician or a government officer. He expected something more, to give courage to other people. So that's why I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about I don't have. Yes, you see how his attitude is changed. His bad attitude, negative attitude is erased by him. He washed all his bad attitude, negative attitude, and wonderful sentence he is speaking now. You see, I decided to be thankful. Thankful. Daily we have to be thankful to our God, thankful to our parents, thankful to our family members, thankful to our society, thankful to our nation. Why we have to say thankful means without them we can't live. Without them I can't live. We have to believe. Thankful for what I do have. What I do have. Here, Nick Vujicic really doesn't have anything. But he says that I am thankful, God. You have given some organs, very beautiful organs in my body. For that I am very thankful. Not get angry about what I do not. I don't get angry what you don't give me. I don't worry about my legs. I don't worry about my hands. But I am very thankful. I have beautiful eyes, very beautiful ears, very good heart is there, kind heart is there. Like that he is thinking. Okay, children. Sir, ఒకసారి children, I request you all unmute your mobile phones. I want to conclude today's class. సార్ ఒక్కసారి ఆ స్లైడ్స్ బ్లాక్ సైడ్స్ చూపిస్తారా మన చిల్డ్రన్ ఒకసారి చూద్దాం.
ఓకేనా?
Sorry, also I have written. If I forget any words, difficult words, what you feel difficult words, you can message me through WhatsApp. I will give you reply.
Sir, we will share this slide also.
Ah,
PPT presentation.
share the slides also, sir.
Yes,
Yes, yes. These slides are messaged to you, to your group also. Yes, children. Today I discussed about these words only: managed, realized, encouraged, thankful. Next, these 4 words, and the next page, sir. Yes, usability, rare, occurrence, pocomilia, previous classes words: cruel, blamed, independent, courage, into, invented, devised, bullied, achieved, teased, mobility. Children, these words, once again, you should slowly read the lesson and write these vocabulary words, glossary words in your notebook. Then it is very useful. Now, this is questioning time. Babu, children, if you have any doubts, please. Hey, don't use bad language. Children, if you have any doubts, please ask me.
Please mute yourself. Who have doubts, they only unmute and talk them. Okay.
Children, if you have any doubts, if you give anybody response only, I can learn something. బాబు మీ నుంచి నేను నేర్చుకుంటాను, ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకుంటాను. హౌ ఈస్ ద క్లాస్? చంద్రహాస్, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్ చంద్రహాస్, respond.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chandrahas. How is the class?
Nice, sir.
Voice. Do you understand the lesson?
Understood, sir.
You understood?
Yes, sir.
How the Nick attitude is changed? Have you identified at the age of 8 and at the age of 10, at the age of 13?
He was
What is the
newspaper
attitude of
read, sir.
Nick at the age of 8 and 10?
He read newspaper, sir.
Babu?
He read newspaper, sir. And he changed his behavior.
No. What I am asking is, could you find any difference in attitude at the age of 8, at the age of 10, and at the age of 13? Anybody? Yashwant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you identify it?
Yes, sir. Identified, sir. It was changes in different ways, sir.
Make it loud.
Sir, Nick was changed in different ways. Sir.
Nick was
He was changing his behavior at the age of 6 and the age of 8. And the age of 13.
yes.
Bad habit too.
Behavior, his attitude changed at the age of 13. What was the attitude of Nick at the age of 8 and 10? Is it a positive attitude or negative attitude?
Negative attitude, sir.
This point you have to clearly mention. This point you have to understand. Nick had a negative attitude till he read the newspaper at the age of 13.
13 years.
13 years. This point you have to keep in your mind. All his negative attitude is changed into positive after reading the newspaper.
After
at the age
reading newspapers.
Yes. In the before reading the newspaper, he cursed God. He blamed God. Why, God, you have given me birth without hands and without legs? But the same boy, after reading the newspaper, he changed his attitude. He showed thankfulness. God, I am very thankful to you. I am very thankful to you for what I do have. Last line, Babu. Today I stopped with that line. ఎందుకు నేను ఆ లైన్ దగ్గర ఆపేసానంటే you have to keep it in your mind that how we have to change our attitude from negative side to positive side. Nick says that I am thankful for what I do have and not get angry about what I don't, and not I get angry about what I don't. That's wonderful sentence. Wonderful sentence. Children, if you understand the beautiful lines of this lesson, our lives automatically changes. Don't think that.
I decided to take thankful of this line.
I decided
to be thankful for what do have, not get angry about what I don't.
Yes. Remember, very thankful. I am very thankful to remembering that sentence. నీకు కృతజ్ఞతలు ఆ సెంటెన్స్ ని మళ్ళీ గుర్తు చేసినందుకు. వెరీ గుడ్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ సెంటెన్స్ బాబు. A
Thank you, sir.
beautiful sentence. We have to think. ఇంకా some more children, if you have any doubts, please clarify.
Sir, doubts. There is no doubt, sir.
Okay. My boys, please give your response.
Sir, once again you explain gratitude, sir.
Babu, where?
Hello.
ఎక్కడ బాబు?
Sir, I am Bayana, sir.
Bayana, where do you want an explanation?
Sir, once again we explain gratitude, sir. Gratitude. Yes, sir.
Gratitude means thankfulness.
Grateful.
Page 4. What is the paragraph number? Could you help me?
భయనా ఇదేనా?
Where is
భయనా?
Bayana?
అందరూ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎవరైతే మాట్లాడుతున్నారో వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. భయనా ఇదేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే.
ఎక్కడ నాన్న ఒకసారి నాకు ఆ లైన్ చదువు.
హైలైట్ చేయి భయనా.
Or you can make highlight. Otherwise you can read the sentence. I could find. I can find it.
దానికోసం సార్ వర్డ్ సెపరేట్ గా రాసుకున్నాను మీరు చెప్పినప్పుడు.
బాబు ఎక్కడ?
మీరు చెప్పిన వర్డ్ సెపరేట్ గా రాసుకున్నాను, అందుకు డౌట్ అడుగుతుంది. అలా మిస్ అయిపోతుంది.
Separate గా రాసుకున్నావా? You have written separately.
Yes, sir.
What is the word? Gratitude means thankfulness. Krutagnata in Telugu.
Grateful also can come, sir.
Great spelling is G-R-E-A-T. Babu, children, all of you note down. It is very important word, Babu. G-R-E-A-T. Great means famous. G-R-A-T-E. Great. G-R-A-T-E. Great. Gratefulness. Thankfulness, Babu.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Babu. Thank you, one and all. See you tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. No, sorry, 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Parents planning action.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Babu. Babu, 1 minute. Yes, here you see parents' plan of action to make Nick independent in his life. I have mentioned the important things what the parents have provided to him.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
At the age of 30.
ఎవరు
At the age of 18 months, 6 years
చెప్పా,
old,
రీచ్.
8 years
సార్
old,
1
10
minute
years
సార్.
old.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ చేసినా కదా సార్? సార్ ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ చేసినా కదా సార్?
బాబు సార్ రికార్డ్ చేశానన్నా.
ఇది పిక్చర్ కూడా వస్తుందా, వాయిస్ ఒకటే వస్తుందా సార్?
సార్ బాబు సార్
అన్ని
ప్లీజ్
వస్తాయి.
రెస్పాండ్.
మేము యూట్యూబ్ లో లింక్
వాయిస్
అప్లోడ్
వాయిస్
చేసి లింక్ షేర్ చేస్తాము. కాకపోతే
సరే
ఇక్కడ
సార్.
నేను చెప్పాల్సింది ఏమంటే, కొంతమంది పడుకొని తిరుక్కుంటా కాఫీ టీలు తాక్కుంటా ఇవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు మన దాంట్లో ఏజీఓ కూడా జాయిన్ అవుతారు, మధ్య మధ్యలో వచ్చి చూసిపోతారు. సో మనం అంతా కూడా డిసిప్లైన్ గా ఎట్లయితే క్లాస్ లో ఉంటామో, నీట్ గా రెడీ అయ్యి కూర్చుంటే ఎట్లుంటామో అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ కూడా క్లాస్ జరిగినప్పుడు ఉండాలా. నోట్స్ చెప్పినప్పుడు సార్ రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ రాసుకోవాలా. తర్వాత ఈ అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఏమైనా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అవి మీరు నీట్ గా మేనేజ్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు మీరు 10th క్లాస్, సో మీరు ఇవన్నీ నెక్స్ట్ దాంట్లో
ఓకే
రిపీట్ కాకుండా చూస్తారని అనుకుంటాను.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్, క్యారీ ఆన్ సార్.
లింక్ చేస్తారంట
ఓకే,
కదా.
థాంక్ యూ
సార్
సార్.
చూడండి చెప్తాడు సార్. బాబు ఇక్కడ చూడండి అన్న, 18 months time, 6 years old, 8 years old, 10 years old, he faced some problems. But at the age of 13, that's why I have written here, life changing situation. This type of life changing situation comes in every person's life. So we have to change our life with some kind of situations. Here the life changing situation happened in Nick's life at the age of 13. He read a newspaper article about a disabled man who managed to achieve great things and helped others. Very beautiful, Babu. This life changing. This chart also you can keep it, you can note down. We will provide you, and I give you a small assignment. What is your life changing situation at present? Do you find any life changing situation at your life? If you find yes, you can write a situation what situation changed your life. My question is, do you face a life changing situation in your life? Explain in a few words. This is today's question. I will give it through WhatsApp also. Do you face note down, Babu. Do you face a life changing situation in your life? Explain it. In a few words. Thank you, children. Thank you, Babu sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay, thank you for giving me small introduction.
సార్ ఇంకా మనకు ఒక 5 minutes టైం ఉంది. ఏమైనా ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వాలంటే ఇస్తాం.
బాబు సార్ మీరే మాట్లాడండి సార్. ఇప్పుడు టెక్నికల్ గా మీరు చూసింటారు, అంటే పిల్లలు ఎలా ఉన్నారు, జనరల్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇవ్వండి, క్లాసుల్లో ఎలా ఉండాలి, సో దట్ దే కెన్ బి
ఓకే సార్, షూర్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
గుడ్ మేనర్స్ విత్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్.
ఎస్ సార్.
ప్లీజ్ టాక్ ఏ ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ సార్, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఓన్లీ లెసన్ మీదే ఉన్నాను అందుకు.
అవునవును సార్. సార్ ఓన్లీ
చెప్పండి
ఫ్యూ
సార్.
మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఎంటరింగ్ విత్ వీడియో. సో మెనీ పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఎంటరింగ్ విత్ యువర్ వీడియో. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అనేది మాకు అస్సలు తెలియట్లేదు. ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకోండి. క్లియర్ గా ఒక చోట మొబైల్ ఫిట్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు కదలకుండా ఒక చోట ఎడని పెట్టేసి నీట్ గా మీరు లెసన్ మీదనే కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసేసింది. మేము వీలైనంత వరకు బాగా వ్యూ ఇవ్వడానికే ప్రయత్నం. ఓకే, దాంతో పాటు నీట్ గా డ్రెస్సింగ్ మీరు ఎట్లయితే స్కూల్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు ఉంటారో ఆ విధంగా చూసుకోండి. తర్వాత ఇంకోటి, ఎక్కువ యూట్యూబ్ చూసి ఇంకోటి చూసి చేయొద్దండి. ఫస్ట్ మీరు డేటాను సేవ్ చేసుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడున్న పరిస్థితుల్లో మనము ఒక 3 క్లాసులు 4 క్లాసులు జరుగుతుందంటే నియర్లీ 1 GB డేటా కంపల్సరీ కావాలి మనకు. సో మీకు ఏదైతే నెట్వర్క్ బాగుందో పర్ డే 1 GB 2 GB మినిమం ఉండేటట్టు చూసుకోండి. ఈ లెసన్ అంతా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత యూట్యూబ్ లో ఇంకా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటాయి లింక్స్, దీనికి సంబంధించిన లెసన్ సంబంధించి కానీ ఏమైనా ఉంటే కానీ. సో మీరు అప్పుడు కూడా ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒకసారి యూట్యూబ్ లో సెర్చ్ చేయండి. ఇది కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక పిక్చర్ ఐడియా వచ్చి ఉంటుంది మీకు. దీంతో పాటు ఇంకా అడిషనల్ గా బెటర్ వీడియో కానీ ఆడియో కానీ ఉంటాయి మనకు లెసన్స్. సో అవి కూడా మీరు ఒకసారి వెరిఫై చేసుకోండి. ఇంకా కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే గెలాక్సీ M31, ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు ముస్తఫా మాట్లాడబ్బా, ముస్తఫా 10th year. మీరు రైస్ చేస్తున్నారు హ్యాండ్, మధ్యలో రాస్తున్నారు, డిస్టర్బెన్స్ నీరే ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది ముస్తఫా, నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేశాను. సో అలా కాకుండా చూసుకోండి, మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు మాట్లాడాలనుకున్నారో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. ఎవరికైనా ఏమన్నా అలా ఇబ్బంది ఉంది, నాకు తెలియదు మ్యూట్ అన్మ్యూట్ అంటే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో ఒకసారి కనుక్కోండి ఎట్లా చేయాలా ఏమి. ఇంకొకటి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదా, గెలాక్సీ M31 అని ఒకరు ఉన్నారు. ఇట్లా ఉండే వాళ్ళంతా కూడా కరెక్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా నేమ్స్ పెట్టుకోండి. 10th A అయితే 10th A, 10th B అయితే 10th B విత్ యువర్ నేమ్స్. అట్లా చేయండి. ఇంకొకటి నెక్స్ట్ టైం నుంచి నేను ఒక 10 minutes చూస్తాను అంతే, తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్ గా లాక్ చేస్తాను మీటింగ్. మీకు ఏమన్నా మళ్ళీ యాడ్ కావాలనుకోండి నాకు సపరేట్ గా మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి, కాల్ చేయొద్దండి. మెసేజ్ పెడితే నేను యాడ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ బేసిక్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. బయట తిరగద్దండి దయచేసి, మీరు క్లాస్ వినేటప్పుడు బయట తిరగదండి. కొంతమంది టీలు తాగుతున్నారు, కాఫీలు తాగుతున్నారు. సురేంద్ర ఎవరబ్బా? నువ్వే సురేంద్ర, 10th A M సురేంద్ర. ఓకే, టీ కాఫీలు ఏం తాగొద్దండి, రిలాక్స్ గా కూర్చో, క్లాస్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత రిలాక్స్ గా మీ వర్క్ మీరు చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా ఏమైనా మాట్లాడాలనుకుంటే మాట్లాడండి. మనకి ఇంకా 1.5 minutes ఉంది, మాట్లాడతారా ఎవరన్నా? ఓకేనా? ఫాలో అవుతారా అందరూ? అవుతారా?
ఈ రోజు ఒక లెసన్ ఒకసారి చదువుకోండి, మళ్ళీ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే క్లారిఫై చేసుకోండి. లెసన్ బాగా వింటేనే మీకు మళ్ళీ కాంప్రహెన్షన్ క్వశ్చన్ కి సులభం అవుతుందన్న ఉద్దేశంతోనే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ ఇబ్బంది అయినా మిమ్మల్ని ఊహించుకొని మేము చెప్తున్నాను బాబు. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫర్ us టు టీచ్
వితౌట్ చిల్డ్రన్.
అండర్స్టాండ్ అవర్ సఫరింగ్స్. మా సఫరింగ్స్ ను ఒకసారి మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి అండ్ ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి. మేక్ us ఎంకరేజ్ త్రూ యువర్ గుడ్ అటెండెన్స్. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి చెప్పండి, రే అటెండ్ అవుదాము, క్లాస్ మన కోసమే చెప్తున్నారు అనేసేసి అని అటెండెన్స్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయండి. నేను ఒక్కడిని వింటూనే చాలదు అని కాదు, నేను వినాలి, నా ఫ్రెండ్ వినాలి, మన స్కూల్ అంతా వినాలి, మన స్కూల్ కి మంచి పేరు తేవాలనేటువంటిది ఉండాలి నాన్న. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. బాయ్ సార్.
Thank you for smiling information.
యా ఓకే, బాయ్ నా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ కంప్యూటర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ సార్.
అయ్యో సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్వేస్ వి ఆర్ విత్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. లాస్ట్ లో బాగా ఎండ్ చేశారు మంచి పిక్చర్ తో.
Yes sir, that's why I put this picture. Okay.
Okay sir.
Thank you so much. Bye children. I'm ending the meeting sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Bye sir.
Bye.
Bye.